Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Sorry, Mama had to work, so you got to put up with me and the GoPro. Took a week's vacation to do some flying, and so unfortunately, she couldn't take any time off. So y'all just got to put up with me. Gonna take up the FREEWING Cougar F9F. Got the GNS performance analyzer. Gonna see how fast I can get this plane going. Never done the speed test with this one, so this will be a new one. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. All right. Do not need takeoff flaps. Probably won't need landing flaps, as windy as it is.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
Take her up, flip her.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That should have gave him a speed run. Has a very iconic shape to it.
Gear down.
See the belly one time, make sure my gear is down. And it is. Yeah, it's windy. Quite windy. Quite windy. All right. Little bump there in the runway. Good looking bird. Good flying jet too. All right, let's back up a little bit.
Braking. Brakes off.
We're going to get right on the center line, or close to it. All right, let's go. Here we go.
Gear down.
All right, gear's coming down.
Landing flaps.
Actually, my wind has started to die now.
1 minute. Braking. Brakes off. Flaps up.
All right, we got enough in her for one more. I always, if I can, I try to do 3 takeoffs and 3 landings with a jet, if I can. All right, here we go. Not going to take the gear up this time, just going to leave it down. And the wind picked back up.
Seconds. Braking.
There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
10,
I do enjoy flying this plane.
9,
She does carry her momentum fairly well though.
6, 5.
So braking was a big help for this. Didn't need, but the flaps, if I can get away without using flaps, I'll do it. Or try to anyways.
Prop secure.
All right, let's see how fast we were going. Okay. All right, hit stop and read. 115 mile an hour. We were up to 525 feet. I know it's way higher than we're supposed to be, but 115, not bad at all. All right, so you want to turn the app off. And let's go over here and see how much juice. Running a 5,000 LiPo, basically right there where you see it. %. Can't kill that with a, can't beat that with a stick. There's the GNS performance analyzer, and that is the Lemon RX Gen 2 stabilizer receiver. It only has wind migration or wind mitigation or wind gyro. It doesn't have self-level, so it's not going to have a panic. It's not going to save you. It's just going to help you deal with the wind, which today I need. Well, anyways, folks, that is the FREEWING F9F Cougar. One great flying, fun. The whole plane acts as a lifting body. It does, and it's a great flying plane. A lot of fun, different kind of plane. And y'all know me. I love anything that is different. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Cougars. Bye-bye.